The Business Direct Hotel caters to people who travel for different types of business trips. On Saturday night, there is not a lot of business travel, so the ratio of number of occupied rooms to the number of unoccupied rooms is 2 to 5. However, on Sunday night, the ratio of the number of occupied rooms to the number of unoccupied is 6 to 1 due to the number of business people attending a large conference in the area. If the Business Direct Hotel has 432 occupied rooms on Sunday night, how many unoccupied rooms does it have on Saturday night? There is a lot going on in this problem. So we're going to go ahead and match up the important information so we don't get confused. So the first ratio I came across was this ratio of 2 to 5. And the sentence says, Saturday night, there's not a lot of business travel. So the ratio of occupied rooms to unoccupied rooms is 2 to 5. So this was Saturday. That's important. Okay, I'm going to switch colors. On Sunday, we're going to box in that Sunday, the ratio of the number of occupied rooms to the number of unoccupied is 6 to 1. So Saturday goes with 2 to 5 and Sunday goes with 6 to 1. Before I even go any further, I'm going to go ahead and set up those ratios. So Saturday, we have 2 to 5. And the 2 is occupied because it was mentioned first. So I'm going to put an O there just so I don't get confused. And the 5 was the unoccupied. So I'm going to put a U there. Now I know I'm going to create an equivalent ratio, and I know this is going to be occupied, and I know this is going to be unoccupied, but I don't know. All right, let's put Sunday. The ratio on Sunday was 6 to 1. And again, occupied was first, so we're putting the O, and unoccupied was second. Put the U there. And I don't know what numbers are going to go here, but I do know that that's what this is going to be. Now we need to take a look at the next piece of important information. It says, if the Business Direct Hotel has 432 occupied rooms on Sunday, so I'm going to make this green because I know that this says 432 on Sunday, and it's occupied. If it's occupied, it's going to go here. All right, so the question is, how many unoccupied rooms does it have on Saturday? So the main question that we want is the unoccupied rooms on Saturday. Okay, now we're going to solve this the same way we normally do for equivalent ratios. We do have a connection here. So we're going to take that 432 and we're going to divide by 6. 6 goes into 43 7 times. Subtract, bring down your 2, and that goes in twice. So I know that I had to multiply this by 72 to get to the 432. Now, to create that equivalent ratio, I'm going to do the same thing here. 1 times 72 is 72. And then because this is still equivalent, we have 7 on this side and 7 over here. We can go ahead and multiply through for both. 72 times 2 is 144. So we're going to put 144 here. And then 72 times 5 is 360. So now we can erase that question mark because we know that there were 360 unoccupied rooms on Saturday night. And if you complete this and you add these two together and add these two together, you'll see that you get the same answer. We have created equivalent ratios in two separate ratios.